Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Chris Luna here with the Chris Luna Group of Compass. And in today's episode of Coffee with Chris, I want to share some information with you about Compass Concierge. Some of you might have heard the buzz about it, and maybe some of you haven't. It's a service that's offered to sellers who are preparing their homes to come on the market for sale. With Compass Concierge, it's a hassle-free way to sell your home faster and for a higher price. And the service also allows you to maximize the potential value and return of your home when you sell it. And the best part about it is no upfront fees and no interest. So, that alone right there is a big plus for this program. With Compass Concierge, the options are almost endless. They cover flooring repairs, carpet cleaning, staging. And all of you know that staging is a big deal when you're selling your home, because you want to make sure that your property shows well and appeals to more potential buyers. It also covers deep cleaning and landscaping. Landscaping is also important, making sure that the curb appeal is appealing to the potential buyers. As they drive up to your home, you want to make sure that the curb appeal just makes the right first impression, where they feel welcomed and it just feels like home to them, right? Also covers fencing, electrical work, kitchen repairs, kitchen updates, bathroom improvements, interior and exterior painting, etc. The list goes on. So if it's something you're interested in and you're looking to put your home on the market, please contact me today. My contact information will be down below in the description. We can set up a private consultation and we'll go over all these options and ideas with you. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is down below, or if you can go to youtube.com and type in Chris Luna Real Estate Group in the search bar and subscribe. And you'll be up to date with our weekly videos as well. Thank you for watching this episode, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.